This is the new Mini 5-door hatch. If you have children or you often find yourself giving friends a lift, then there's plenty of room for everyone to sit comfortably and get in and out easily. The 5-door hatch offers features like the head-up display and driving assistant to make your driving safe and comfortable. Its new LED headlamps feature an optional piano black trim, and it has sporty, strong side skirts. As with the 3-door model, it also has the framed grille with the safety bar. At the rear, you immediately notice that all the design elements are positioned towards the edges, so the 5-door hatch looks just as wide and powerful as its 3-door sibling, and equally sleek. The new Mini 5-door and 3-door hatch clearly have a lot in common, so what makes them different? Well, let's take a look. A considerably larger interior means that the 5-door model is actually about 16 centimeters longer than the 3-door hatch, and a little bit more can mean a lot of extra comfort for long journeys or long legs. The wheelbase is also 7 centimeters longer. Sit in the back seat and you really begin to notice the difference. There's enough space for up to 3 people to enjoy the comfortable seats with a little wiggle room. That seems like a good place to wrap things up. You could say that the new Mini 3 and 5-door hatch are the most exclusive go-karts for any city. Whether you choose a 3 or 5-door model, they're just as fun to drive as they've always been, if not even more fun. Plus, they've got loads of new additions to make the drive more comfortable and safer than many other cars in their class. But of course, Minis have always been in a class of their own.